Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna make a quick video about how to replace the pollen filter on a BMW 335i coupe. I just bought this Bosch filter, yeah, a new one. It's like charcoal active. It's a bit more expensive than normal one. I think it's almost double, to be honest, but I think it's worth the money. You can see here it's anti-allergic as well. So let me show you how it is. It's got 3 layers as well. It's like carbon active as well. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go outside and show you how to install it. Very quick and easy. Okay. Okay, so we are outside. This is the car. So here is the pollen filter. All this big thing here. Very easy to install, to replace and install. It's got about two there and 2 here. Altogether 6 little screws. I already take them off. Yeah, these are the screw. You can use 8 mils socket to take them off. Yeah, it's one here, and another 2 there, and 2 over here. After that, you just leave this one. Very easy. So this is the old one. Yeah, I think it's got about 10,000 miles on. You unclip these 3 clips and just you pull it out. It's a bit hard with one hand, but it's alright. A sec. Wait a second. It's hard to do it with one hand. So you can manage it at the end. Okay. That's it. Look at it. 10,000 miles. This one was charcoal active as well, but it didn't have that blue layer whatsoever. So okay, this one, just one sec. So it's got 2 pins here, one here and one here. They go inside. It's a tight fit. This one is nice. Okay, the pins are going inside there. I have to use both hands, sorry about that. And after that, just clip it in these 3 clips. That's all done. I'll show you how it looks, because I need to use both hands to push it in. Okay, so that is it. It's got a very nice fit, yeah, very tight and nice. Oh, sorry, look at that. So after that, you clean a little bit around the holes there, which I already did. You just fit this back. Okay. That's it, and put back the screws. That's all. Thank you for watching.